Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to capture multiple screens and instantly convert them into editable wireframes using the MockFlow WireframePro Chrome Extension. Before we begin, check out the article linked in the description to install the MockFlow WireframePro Chrome Extension. We'll use this web page to convert it into an editable wireframe. Once it's installed, open the extension and sign in to your MockFlow account. Now, click Capture and choose what you'd like to do. For this example, we'll capture the full page. The extension automatically scans and captures the web page. Repeat the process for additional screens you'd like to include. Once you've captured all your screens, choose between image or sketchy output, then click Convert to Wireframe. In just a few seconds, all your captured screens are transformed into fully editable wireframes. You can rearrange them, customize the layouts, make design changes, and export them to share with your team. And that's it. Whether you're documenting user flows, recreating existing interfaces, or kickstarting a new project, MockFlow helps you capture and wireframe multiple screens in seconds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.